The AI drafted a reply that's 90% right, but that last 10% matters. Do you scrap it and start over? Not with Vyroq. Open AI, click the Pending AI Replies tab, and click the reply you want to handle. The drawer slides open showing the drafted subject and message body in full. Read it exactly as your lead would. If it's spot on, click Approve and Send. Done, it's on its way, no further steps. If it needs a tweak, click Edit. The subject and body both become editable fields right there in the drawer. Fix a price, soften a line, add the detail only you would know. Then click Save and Send, and your edited version goes out immediately. Notice the reason badge on the row before you even open it. Buying signal or price negotiation. So you already know why the AI drafted this one before you've read a single word. Either path, approve as is or edit first, keeps a human in the loop on every message tied to money while still moving at AI speed. That's control without the bottleneck. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.